Jai Hind, sir.
Jahin what?
Jai Hind, sir.
He actually has an interesting outfit. Hello. I
Hello.
like your outfit. You look very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're Indian, I'm guessing.
Yes, I'm Indian.
Wow.
You're from India.
I'm Indian.
So your father is from India?
Yes, my father is from India.
Your mother?
She's from India.
I don't think
What do you mean by your Minda? What's that?
you're
What's that one?
overdoing it.
It's a passion that I used to talk to you. Because in India, we share love.
How does that relate with your head shaking?
It's just a confirmation of love that we have for you.
Your accent is switching. Is it just me?
It's fluctuating.
Like it feels like that you don't have a pure Indian accent. Are you mixed? Both parents Indian?
I'm full Indian.
You are full Indian.
Okay. What makes you Indian?
Because I'm full Indian. My mom and my dad, they are both Indian.
I'm hearing a proper Nigerian accent, or is it just me? That's a proper.
I'm a Nigerian Indian.
But your parents are both Indians.
What do you mean you're a Nigerian Indian?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, what now? Are you trying to frustrate us?
We are all Indians here in Nigeria. My people started from Nigeria and started being Indian.
How?
By watching Indian film.
What's the meaning of this now? Are we babies in you? What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Yes, I'm telling the truth.
Look,
You are
what is
bipolar.
your name?
Yeah.
What is your name?
Arman Malik.
Okay, what is your real name? Talk to me. Confide in me.
Open
Amadio.
up. Huh?
Amadio.
From Alman Malik to Admadia.
Arman Malik is my Indian name, but Amadio is my Nigerian name.
Amadioha. Do you know who Amadioha is? Do you know?
You don't know?
I'm almost you're going to make my BP to rise. I'm trying to control that. So what I'll do is I'll just go straight to the point. What did you come here to do?
I want to sing.
You came
You want to
sing.
what?
I want to sing.
Can you
Indian song.
be real? Can you see? You said
Yeah,
you're
this is my real self. I want to sing.
okay. Sing.
If you shake your
What's this one? You are even just
head, overdo it. Even Indians don't shake their head like that. Keep your head in one place and sing.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Amadioha. The floor is yours.
Rahume malam malam malam. Kudu kudu kudu. Malang malang malang. Rahume malang malang malang. My malang. Kudu 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 kudu. Malang malang malang. Malang malang malang. Malang malang malang. Yeah, malang.
Alma Marik, aka Amadioa.